Let me quickly teach you how to create children's storybook with a lot of captivating write-up from ChatGPT. Very nice content ChatGPT can produce for you. So let's dive in immediately. So the first thing, remember we are using ChatGPT to get to the website. Very simple. Just type the word chat.openai.com. You can do this on phone and also on your PC. So I'm going to be asking ChatGPT to act as a storyteller. Okay, I want you to act as a storyteller. I want you to have as a storyteller for an African book. Develop a title, develop some lists of title for me. I want you to act as a storyteller and develop some African title. I want you to ask as a storyteller for an African book. Okay, command, develop title for me. Okay, let's see some of the title here. Some 5 potential book title for African team storybook: The Secrets of Savannah, The Lion King, okay, The Great Nine Adventure, a lot of more. This book is for children. Okay, this book is for children. Okay, just see again. It's going to rephrase the magic of Mara, the elephant trunk, the jungle, this and that. Remember, whenever they generate some of these title, the best thing for you to do is to go and search whether somebody has already written this type of book. I like this, the Rainbow Tribe. Okay, there's actually a book for this, maybe in India. Okay, so let me change it. We like the title to be The Rainbow Family. Okay, The Rainbow Family. Let's see. We have some title: The Rainbow Family, Great Adventure, The Rainbow Family, and The Missing Pot of Gold. Okay, I like that. Okay, The Rainbow Family, Secret Tree House. The Rainbow Family and the Magic of Friendship. This is not bad. Okay, I'll go for this. Can you serve as the author? Can you serve as the author? And develop some chapter for this book. Okay, let's look at how he's going to develop some chapter for this book for us. Okay, let's first get the chapter. Okay, I'm happy to here to help you. Chapter 1. Okay, in this chapter, oh my god, it's already developing. Each member of the family has their own unique personality and skills, and they work together to help others in their family. Chapter 2, he's even summarizing everything from one chapter to another. So imagine you are writing a storybook and are looking for ideas and more. Your own goal for now is now to add your own. You have to also add your own input, because in case you don't know, there are some tools that are going to be coming up from, let me say, from next month, February, that whenever if you use AI to generate your content, they will get to know. So I'm going to be introducing to you some of those ways that you can also rephrase your content and a lot of more. So imagine we have 5 chapters. It is children's book. 5 chapters is good. And also remember to watch some of my videos, because I'm going to be teaching you how to generate pictures for this book. We are going to generate pictures for it and more. So what we are going to do is very simple. So if I'm you, I can copy this chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1 of first. Can you create an introduction for this book? And make it educational and have potential of attending to imagination Okay, I want, okay, make it educational story, and other type of story which, okay, make it educational story, and has the potential to capture children's imagination, children's attention and imagination. So let's do this. Create, develop or write. You can use the word develop or write or and more. Okay, so let's dive in. Let's see what is going to be. Sure, some introduction for the rainbow family and the magic of friendship. Welcome to the magic world of the rainbow family. This is a story about 7 special friends who have the power to make a difference in their world of community. Each of the family has their own unique personality and skills. They do this and that. So what are you waiting for right now? So if you are not waiting for anything, this is definitely good for you to go. So then when you are done with this, I think it is because of my network. When you are done with this, the next thing you are going to do is to take chapter 1, take the chapter 1, drop it inside. Can you, I've pressed enter. Yes, chapter 1 can do this and that. Okay, he's going to write everything. I wanted to say something about it before typing it. Okay, and it's already writing. So this is good to go, and the sky is your limit. Use ChatGPT to create content for yourself and also for your classroom. Definitely I know you are already having interest in this, and at the end of the day you are already finding this interesting. So give it a try. I'll be back with more content. Thank you.